Peace, y'all. So today we're gonna do yoga in bed. So I designed this sequence to help anyone that has a hard time getting out of bed, or anyone that's handicapped, or maybe elderly, or wants to do chair yoga. So all of these poses can be done in a seated position, in a bed or a chair, or on the floor. So we're gonna start in staff pose. So you just take your feet straight out in front of you, and your legs can be as straight or as bent as you need them to be. And just be a little bit past comfortable. So we're going to reach up and over your legs. So if your legs are straight out, you're going to grab your feet and fold all the way over as far as you can. If your legs are bent, you're going to reach for your feet and bend all the way over as far as you can. Try not to stress or strain your back or the back of your legs. You're going to feel a pulling in the back of your legs, but you don't want to feel like you're hurting yourself or pushing yourself too far. Just push yourself a little bit. So just reach for your feet. Keep your back straight. Remember the up and over feeling. And just breathe it out. Breathe into your tummy. Inhale, fill your tummy with air. Exhale, push your tummy toward your spine. And we're going to come up super slow. And we're going to take a wide leg forward fold. So if you need to meet me here, or here, or here, you go as wide as you can, okay? So I'm going to show you, just for reference, this as a wide leg forward fold. So remember the up and over motion. You can bend your knees a little bit if you need to. You can also put a pillow here or a block. And lean your chest over your pillow or your block. Breathing into your tummy. Big inhale, expand your tummy. Big exhale, sink your tummy toward your spine. And slowly walk your hands to the right foot. Reach for your right foot. If you need to bend your right leg, bend your right leg. It's raining here in Texas, so I got the rain and the sleepy sounds. I want to stay in this bed all day. Now reach up and over for your left foot. You can walk your hands over. Bend your knees if you need to. And slowly push yourself back up. Now we're going to go into Baddha konasana. So you bring your feet together. They can be out here or in a little bit, all the way in. Just bring your feet in. And your knees are splayed out wide. And you can make a little hand basket for your feet. Breathing into your tummy, breathe into your inner thighs. This is also known as butterfly position. You can flap your wings, breathe, sit up straight, strengthen that back. You can lean up against the headboard or your pillows. And we're gonna fold over just a little bit, or all the way over. And come back up super slow. Push yourself back up with your hands. And we're gonna crisscross applesauce or Siddhasana. Sitting up straight. If you have to cross your legs out here or just cross your feet out here, meet me at your appropriate edge. And just breathe, breathe, breathe. Inhaling, expanding our tummies. Exhaling, contracting our tummies. Hands are on your knees or your thighs or your feet or the bed. And you're going to reach your right hand up, up, up. And to your left knee. And reach your left hand behind you. Do not push or strain, just gently twist, looking over your left shoulder. Breathing into your tummy, holding your right knee with your left hand, or your left knee with your right hand, I'm sorry. And gently coming back to center. Reach your left hand up. And to your right knee, reach your right hand behind you, and gently twist to the right. And both arms up, reach, reach, reach for the sky. And hands back down to your knees. We are going to do a seated cat-cow. So keep your legs in cross-leg position, or, out here, or cross your feet out here. And we're going to breathe in and push our backs down and lean forward. And then breathe out, arch your back like a cat. And rotate back around. So we're gonna do some slow cat-cows like this. Lean forward. Inhale. Lean back. Exhale. In and out on your own time. Counterclockwise. In and out. In and out, in and out. All right, let's reverse that circle clockwise now. Inhale, lean forward. Exhale, lean back. Inhale, lean forward. Exhale, lean back. And the next time you inhale, come forward. And we're gonna sit up straight. Oh yes, really stretch the back out. Now we're going to do a couple nose circles. So just take your nose clockwise in a circle, not pushing or straining our neck, but sitting up straight. You can lean up against the headboard or some pillows. And I'm gonna come a bit closer. And back, counterclockwise. Large, large, large nose circles. And we're breathing. And we're sitting up straight. And our circles are getting smaller and smaller and smaller. And we're going to lie on our back super slow. Bring our feet out in front of us. Really tighten those abs as you're laying back. Breathe it out. Savasana, corpse pose. Feel the nutrients of your practice settling in. You can bring one knee to your chest and then the other. Rolling back and forth in your little ball. Or you can hold your knees out here if you need to. Just roll gently back and forth around your spine. Then bring one foot out, and then the other. Back in Savasana, corpse pose. Breathe it out. Now roll to one side, any side, and push yourself up. And we're back. Thank you so much for joining my practice today. I know your body thanks you for getting some movement in and stretching, and I hope that it makes your day easier, and I hope that it makes your pain lighter, and that you're less stiff, and that you enjoyed it for the most part and pushed yourself a little bit. I really, really appreciate you tapping in with me. This practice goes out to my mother, who is, she has cancer, she has breast cancer, and it's hard for her to get out of bed most days. So I really wanted to create a practice that she could do in bed, and that a lot of people that can relate to her can do in bed. And I would love for you to, even if you are completely, fully able to do yoga on the floor or without a chair or without a bed, I would love for you to share this practice with someone who cannot. And most of us know someone like that. So please share and subscribe. And I wanted to talk about my sweatshirt before I go. This was from a small Black business, and so is my crystal, my angel aura, so I will be tagging them down below. So thank you so much, and y'all have a great day. Remember to stay flexible so you can bend and not break.